Queen's Gambit declined the elephant trap. This is a very tricky trap, and I love this trap very much. It's a Queen's Gambit game. d4, d5, c4, e6. We decline the Queen's Gambit. Queen's Gambit declined now. Knight c3, normal development. Knight f6, bishop g5, knight bd7. Now c takes d5, e takes d5, and this is the trick. Knight takes d5. Now black in a winning position. Knight takes d5. If bishop takes a queen, don't be angry. Now bishop b4, check, no way. Queen d2, bishop takes d2, check, king d2, and the king takes this bishop. This is a very tricky trap, and you should know this trap. Again, d4, d5, c4, e6, knight c3, knight f6, bishop g5, knight d7, c takes d5, e takes d5, knight takes d5, knight takes d5, bishop takes d8, bishop b4, check, queen d2, bishop takes d2, check, king takes d2, king takes d2, and this is very advantage for black.